Here we have the Jet 14-inch variable speed vertical bandsaw. This has a variable speed stepless pulley drive. I'm going to fire it up, show you that it does operate. And start. That's on the highest speed, and we'll just lower to a lower speed here. Yeah, this vibrates a little bit here. Yeah, this is a 115 volt model, 1 horsepower. I'm going to show you here, it has a little bit of shipping distress. This trunnion assembly right here is cracked and broken, as you can see right here. So that'll be needed to be replaced. And also this part right here will need to be replaced also. Other than that, it's in really good shape. This handle here, this is your blade adjustment handle. It's just slightly tweaked, but you can still adjust the bandsaw blade. The original blade was a wood blade on there, and it was damaged, so we pulled it off, and it comes with a metal cutting blade, so we put the metal cutting blade on there. It operates very nice. A couple little scuffs and paint scratches on the base, nothing major. Includes your instruction parts manual, your miter gauge. Of course, here's your tabletop. We had to pull that off because it wasn't sitting correctly on the machine. We checked all the other functions on here. Everything appears to operate very nicely. So there you have it, the Jet 14-inch vertical bandsaw.